June Mar Fajardo was a picture of sorrow as he left the dugout of the San Miguel Beermen to give his girlfriend Aeriel Patnongon a kiss and face the music during his talk with members of the media Sunday night. The four-time reigning most valuable player felt he had let his team down as the Beermen failed to score in the final 3 minutes that opened the door for Barangay Ginebra San Miguel to steal Game 5 of the PBA Commissioner's Cup Finals with an 87-83 win at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Fajardo missed two missed free throws with under a minute left and his team in front, 83-82, before failing to stop Scottie Thompson from converting a bank shot that gave Ginebra the lead that eventually completed the Beermen's collapse. Kung na-ishoot ko siguro yung golf free throws ko, mag-iiba siguro storya. If I made those free throws, the story would have been different, said Fajardo. The 6'10" center had made all of his previous 3 attempts prior to his final trip to the foul line. An alternative world would have seen Fajardo getting the praises for getting San Miguel in a comfortable position after posterizing Scottie Thompson with 3:17 left in the fourth quarter for an 83-78 lead. But the Beermen failed to capitalize on that basket as they missed their final 10 shots, sandwiched by Fajardo's 2 missed charities as Ginebra pulled off the escape act. The best player of the conference perhaps had a sleepless night as he sulked on the setback that put the Beermen on the brink of losing the finals for the first time in coach Leo Austria's tenure. That disappointment may only give Fajardo motivation to bounce back and push the finals to a deciding 7th game. Hindi ko alam kung Kalangan ko dalhin to basta sa akin yun, said Fajardo. Kalangan naming makabawi sa next game